In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log out of VRChat account. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. This works for all versions of VRChat. In this video, I'm just gonna assume you are playing the Steam version, but like I said, it should work regardless. First, by using the in-game VRChat menu, you can just pull it up by pressing ESC or Escape or by any other keybind you have it set to, and at the bottom left corner of the menu, you should see the option Log Out next to Exit VRChat, which is usually located at the middle. By clicking Log Out, you will log out of your currently signed into account and you will be prompted to log into a new one, either through VRChat or any other means. Alternatively, you can also use the quick menu to log out of your VRChat account and sign into a new one after logging out. Once you are done, you can just log into the new account and you will be able to play as usual. I hope I was able to help you on how to log out of VRChat account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.